This is day 2 of the 80th annual EPWAC Holy Convocation. We're about to walk down to the, it's called the pier. Yeah, we're about to walk down to the pier and just sit there and look at the water for a little bit. Then we're gonna go, well, do we want to go to the vending machine first or do that after we come back?
Well, they on the pier officially, so we can go to it.
Who on that? Oh. Yeah, so we're gonna go to the vending machine first and then we're gonna go to the pier. Well, this is good enough, honey. I'm just trying to see that like the marriage thing where married couples can go because they got a marriage thing out here.
Oh, well, we could sit down.
Yeah, it looks so nice. Y'all want to sit right here or go down? Y'all, look at the triplets. That's what they call those triplets. Where y'all want to come, right here or right there? I feel like somewhere in the middle. It look like it's about to rain. It might be. For real. This is a nice piece. Is that wet? No. Is it? It's a bird dude right there. Y'all wanna try the other one? Yeah. It's a 3-1 right there. So we can sit out, stretch out. Then when we was going across it, it did. We're going to this one right here with the 3 seats. Hey you guys, we just did bike riding. Everybody say hey.
Hey.
We got to take a break right here by the waterfall so we can get some pictures. Oh, y'all want me to do the screen thing so we could all sit right here by the water and take a quick picture? All right, be back here. All right, y'all, we on the pier right now. About like 30 more minutes, maybe 40. It's 4:28. It is hot out here. Hot out here. Join. All right, y'all. So we just finished youth explosion night, and we're getting ready to go back to our. I almost said home. Go back to our hotel. And y'all, it ain't no really good lighting in here, so y'all just gonna have to deal with this. But yeah, say hey.